Hello folks, today we're doing a commercial building inspection actually on a restaurant, and what I wanted to share with you is when we get into one of these air handlers, you can kind of find some things you gotta better be careful, especially this time of the year. You see we got some wasp nests, but we got some of them hornets, and these are vicious hornets. They're down inside of here. You see one here, but you look over here, it looks like my spider is doing a great job of capturing them, but you don't want to get bit by my spider either. But you see how they hornets, so we got hornets in here, so you got to be careful when you get into these things like this. And this is what I want you to be watching for when you're doing you're checking on these kind of things, or you're getting ready to work on it. You got to make sure that's safe. Them things come after you, they will hurt you. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. If you like what you're watching, hit like and subscribe. We'd greatly appreciate it. Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure the job's done right. You're not getting ripped off, and you're getting what you paid for. And in this case, you're getting a little extra with them hornets. Whoa, baby. Anyway, thank you. Have a great day.